Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the background color on the Microsoft PowerPoint slides. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up your presentation, select the Design tab at the top, and then go over above Customize where it says Format Background. Go ahead and select that. And then if you want to select a different color, click this little drop down next to color, and you can select a different color from the list or even a custom color by selecting more colors. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.